My name is Darwin Gam, and I'm formerly of Sabre Industries and was heavily involved as the project manager working with Nelson Industrial. It was a fantastic experience. We formulated a team on a very fast track basis, which involved working with not only Jim Nelson and his team, but also all of his subs and involving the city entities as well, working with the city engineer, the planning and zoning folks, and we couldn't have pulled it off if we didn't have that team effort. It was a very substantial project, a 150-acre site where we constructed approximately 400,000 square feet under roof, and the total expansion project was in the neighborhood of about 34 million. We worked really hard to make sure that it was done right and done right the first time. And if by chance that there was something, Jim stayed behind the whole thing. And it just wasn't Jim, it was also his project managers that were on there, even the architect and draftsmen that were working on the project. If we needed to make a change, it was relatively seamless. As far as staying on schedule, instead of waiting for the total permit package to be done, we were doing it in stages. So as we were doing foundation work, those permits were approved and we were able to get that done. The mayor of Sioux City has stated numerous occasions in public that this is the first time that something like this has been done on such a fast track, and that this should be the model going forward for future economic development and getting people to get their manufacturing sites on time and on budget. I would recommend Nelson Industrial. They're so easy to work with. If you have any questions or if there's an issue, they're very responsive. Anybody can put some rebar in the ground, but it's the attention to detail. It's how easy it is to do work with them. You can call Jim and he'll pick up the phone. He's fair from a costing standpoint, and the attention to detail and just very conscientious, honesty, integrity. Those are the great things that make for a fantastic partnership.